This is probably one of the bigger builds. Code air, is these 18s or 15s?
18s.
Wow.
12 of them. There's more power on it.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're hungry. Like, I've been playing all day.
Yeah.
And they...
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Wow, this is probably one of the bigger builds. Code air, is these 18s or 15s?
18s.
Wow.
12 of them.
What made you do this? What made you do 12 over 6 or 9, 10?
I don't know. I just want
You just
to win.
big as you can? Nice.
I like when people smile when they sit on there and they get impressed. I love it.
So, is it complete? Are you still tuning it? Is the subs broken in, or is it?
No, it's just perfect. All what I need to put is more power on it.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're hungry. Like, I've been playing all day.
Yeah.
And they use more. Yeah.
So, what is the specs on the enclosure? You know,
It's a 6-order.
Okay.
The rear is tuned to 80 hertz, and the front is 36.
36. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's tuned like a low end. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Awesome. And what's your power?
I got currently 3 12Ks.
12Ks. Okay.
Yeah, it would be 6 12Ks. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the rack. Yeah.
Okay.
Someone to help me
Nice.
to put
Did you build this?
Yeah,
Really? Nice work, man.
everything.
Good job. So, curious, what is your cubic space? How much cubes did you fit in this? If you know on top of
I
your
don't
head.
remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah.
It had to be at least 80.
100?
100?
was
Okay.
the one. I just made the shell.
Yeah.
And he gave me everything.
Wow, nice job. Woo. Very nice. How much battery power do you have in electrical?
I got 2 95s.
Okay.
I got 2 alternators, 3 90s.
Okay.
Yeah. And actually, and the rear chamber is 16.
16 cubes.
60.
60 in the rear.
In the
Okay.
rear, and in the front, 58.
58. Okay. So it's like a 1.2 or so. Around. Okay. Very nice. Appreciate the info.
Thank you.
All right, Diego. Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is JACOBVIRAL. Really looking forward to showing y'all this crazy bass experience today. Diego did a really good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Go ahead and give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. Looking forward to showing y'all a crazy experience. Got to hear it inside and out. You're going to see at least 5 different people sit inside with some really crazy reactions. So if you didn't realize when he was talking, this is a 6th order enclosure for any newer viewers that don't know about car audio. He has a rear port here. That little slot you see in the back is a low tuning frequency he was talking about on 3 12,000 watt amplifiers, makes that a total of 36,000 watts on 12 18-inch subwoofers, which is insane, one-of-a-kind system. And the crazy thing is he said he was planning to add even more power to this on top of this. So insane. We're going to be getting to the cardio bass demo now. 5 reactions, 5 different people sit inside, insane hair tricks, everything that you want to see in a demo is in this video. So be sure to like and subscribe for daily cardio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this demo.
Lose myself. I just had to. Lose myself up indoors. I just had to let you know you're.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.